Hey guys, I've got a project here. This is a lid of one of my wife's old pots. This is a small one, but it is one of that items that you'd never want to throw away because it come a long way and it's perfect for certain applications. Normally she use AMC classic pots that you buy here. I think it's come from American something, but it's AMC classic pots. This is something else, stainless steel, but the knob is broken off. So I've got here another one, another knob that I want to put on. So I'm going to grind off that copper because it's tack welded on. You can see there's nothing come through. So I'm going to grind it off and then drill a hole right through, and this will sit there, and with this screw from the bottom will secure this little knob. So let's proceed and repair this for her. Okay, just off camera, I just proceed and cut it off. So now we can drill our hole in there. This give me a hard time, this stainless steel. So I can't get a hole through there. So I try it now from the inside. Yes, now I must brag a little bit. This is one of the drill bits that I've sharpened. Let's see what it do with stainless steel. It seems to work very well. Right through. This is only a pan. No problem. I know it will drop, but there's no danger involved. Nothing sharp that can cut you also. So let me see how it come out. Okay, eventually I've got something that works, and I can put it together. But this is an example of a, what can I call it, amateur of a hooligan job. It was really not professional. And now it seems if the screw is still too long. Let me just check quickly. Okay, let's wrap up this video. I replaced this knob that I want to use with this type, much bigger and better to the handle. And let's see how it fits. Let me put the screwdriver on the inside and give it a nice snug. There you are. Okay, that's better. There's a little gap there That's a little stainless steel part that is still there, but it's fine. It's an old pot and we can still use it. I damaged it a little bit here, but I will try and sand it out. Okay gents, thanks for watching, and this is now really, this was a bad job. Well, it's usable, but the video is bad quality and no safety measures. Okay gentlemen, see you on the next one. Cheers.